Hello, my friend.
Hey, good morning, and welcome to a cold and blustery Florida morning.
It's chilly out here.
It's like 45 degrees. So it's cold. We're not on an adventure, so we're doing something a little different for this video. And we love our Gheenoe a lot. And
Yes,
we have
we do.
lots of adventures on it. So we decided to make a little upgrade, and we have decided to put marine decking in, which is basically like a high density foam. Makes the boat quieter, more comfortable, all that good stuff.
For my feet.
For Amy's feet. Yes.
So right now it's just kind of an unfinished, just a little rough.
Yeah, it's fiberglass, it's painted, but it's still a little rough. And so this marine decking will make it a bit more comfortable. So we've decided to go the custom route. You can buy the stuff and install it yourself, but we've contacted the company and we're gonna have them come out and make a custom template so that the decking will be specific for our boat.
And it's actually a manufacturer called Marine Mat that just happens to be local to us.
Yeah. So we're gonna have them come out and make us a template, and once we approve it, they'll order it and install it. It's gonna be awesome.
So we'll show you before and after pictures. We're so excited.
Can't wait. See you guys. Okay, today is the day. The marine mat is being installed, and we have Corey from Swell Deck here, who's a local authorized marine mat installer, dealer. He's the one who did the custom template, and he's going to work installing it, so we can't wait to see it.
But we're doing it in the garage because it's
Yes.
super windy and chance of some sprinkles, so.
We brought the Gheenoe out, and they literally in like 3 minutes soaked. We had 100 leaves
Yeah, the
inside
pollen.
the boat, so we put it back in the garage.
Yes,
But
so we're excited.
he's going at it.
So we realized that we never really told you what the marine mat material was or what it was made of or how it was put on.
Right, so this is the marine mat tutorial. So this is marine mat. We got the 6mm thickness, which allows us to have 2 different colors.
And it's like double the thickness.
Yes, we chose dark gray and then light gray, and they can etch it and do all sorts of
See
stuff.
it like that.
And it's brushed and it's textured.
See the dark gray? You can
Yep.
see the
And it's spongy.
coloring.
You can see it's a little spongy. But it is UV proof, and it's shock absorbing and mold and mildew resistant.
And you won't slip on it, and it
Slip.
supposedly doesn't get hot.
Yep. So it really is. If you have just a boat with no kind of decking,
It's a
marine
nice
mat's pretty
thing,
good
yeah.
stuff.
And it's I mean, it's really thick and spongy. I mean, you can press it in, and
yep. And I
it's
think
spongy.
we mentioned it was a 3M adhesive.
I don't know.
So it's peel and stick. So once all the pieces were actually cut and lasered and everything by the manufacturer, Corey was able to put it in place, peel and stick it, and we were done. But the cool thing is you can also do some neat stuff. So we actually had a snook made out of marine mat. And not sure exactly where we're going to put it. Maybe on top of the center console.
We'll find a place.
Someplace.
But it's pretty cool.
So it's more. It could be decoration. We could hang our lures from it after we
Yeah.
get them fishing.
Yeah,
I don't know.
I don't know.
But so we got a snook to figure out where we're going to put it.
That's cool.
By the way, this is the biggest fish I've had in my hands in a long time.
It's kind of true.
So anyway, hope you enjoyed the tutorial on marine mat.
warranty.
These all turn out
So
great.
any issues at all that weren't caused by wear and tear, you call me, I'll handle it for you.
Cool.
It's done.
It's done. It's
And
awesome.
It looks pretty.
It's good. So yeah, Corey and Swell Deck, Marine Mat, those two together,
Thumbs up.
they did a good job. Thank you, Corey. And it's awesome. And I've stepped in it. And it's soft on my feet.
It's gonna feel good.
It's gonna be great. So
Skylar's gonna enjoy it too.
yes, and but keep watching because you're gonna see some video before and after.
Yes, we've got some
don't
drone
leave.
footage, hopefully.
Yes,
hopefully. And yeah,
Should be
so
awesome.
hopefully you would like the video. I know it was a little different than what we normally do, but we will catch you guys all on our next adventure.
In our next adventure on Mac, we'll have Marine Mat.
Yes, maybe a little while before we're on Mac, but I know. We got some cool stuff coming up
We
before
do.
that.
Yeah.
So keep watching. Please subscribe if you haven't.
Bloop, bloop.
And we will catch you on the next adventure.
See you guys.
Have a glorious day.